Yo, what's up, guys? This is Ritz. I welcome you all to my channel, and today is day 6 of 21 days challenge. And I hope so far you guys have been learning with me, have progressed a little, if not much. I'm sure you must have progressed a little, and it's fine to progress a little because everything has a step, guys, and it's good to learn slowly, gradually. Things do take time, so patience is the key. And now, today, I want to know, is English language journey, you are finding it boring? You think it's not pulling your interest in it? You think you are not finding it interesting to learn the language, to hone the language, to get up at it, guys? In that case, there is a reason. You should know the reason. Do you have clear goal, guys? Do you know why you are learning English? If not, give yourself a target, give yourself a goal, tie your learning to a goal. Only then you will be indulging yourself in English. Only then you will be immersing yourself in English, guys. Okay, we should attach our learning to a goal, whatever goal it is, whatever it could be, anything for you guys. Okay, let me give you my own example. There was a time when I used to be in 10th grade and I didn't really know how to speak English, but I had a clear motive. I wanted to work with big organizations. I wanted to be part of corporates, and that was only possible if I could become better at English, and I did that, guys. And that way I never stopped my learning. I was always into learning English. I gave it good time. I took 2 to 3 years to really become fluent in English, and then onwards my journey never stopped in English. And I really worked for a number of big corporates, guys. I worked for international companies. So similarly, I want you to attach yourself to a goal. That way your learning would never stop, guys. You have to build your interest, and you can build your interest only when you are into the system, when you know you have to reach somewhere. Only then you will be consistent. Okay, and let me give you another example of mine. Since I was too much into English, I had a clear goal, guys, and I had never thought that it will be English one day that will become my bread and butter. Today, English has become my bread and butter, guys. I'm earning good amount thanks to God. I am grateful to God that I'm able to have my earning just by sitting at home, and it is only because of English and nothing else, guys. I had never thought of it that I'll be earning with English, with because of English. I had never thought of it. I never had an idea, and I had really never thought of it. I was learning it for a reason, because I wanted to work in corporates. But today I am in front of you. You already know I run 5 successful batches. Morning 9:30 a.m, then 3:30 p.m, 3 p.m, sorry, then 7 p.m, 8 p.m, and 10 p.m. You already know I'm running successfully 5 batches. You are seeing me teaching you guys. You already know my struggle behind me. Okay, so it's the goal that matters, and your learning is always gonna pay you, guys. Okay, so please indulge yourself, immerse yourself, find yourself a reason to be best at English. Give yourself a valid reason, valid goal. Attach to a goal. This will never stop you. This will never keep you away from English. So be into the system to be better at language, guys. And another thing, if you are willing to do self practice, there are self practice videos available. There are 365 videos onto my another channel. The description is given in the bio. Do not stop self practice. Self practice is very important, guys. And if you feel you don't know how to practice, what to practice, my videos onto the other channel. There are 365 videos. They are gonna help you, guys. You will be overcoming all your challenges related to grammar, your tenses, your sentence making, your vocabulary, your sentence structure. So you will really get complete solution. So follow my another channel and do start self practice, and make sure that, guys, your English goal is attached, your English learning journey is attached to a goal. You should know you have to read somewhere. Another thing, second thing, give yourself a time limit. That is very important. Okay, time limit is very important. Give yourself 6 months time, 3 months time, and then check your learning, guys. Okay, I will not confuse you many things, too many examples. Just ensure to tie your goal, tie your English learning goal, tie your English learning journey to a goal. So keep learning, keep progressing, and do follow my video, do subscribe to my channel, do share it with your loved ones, and you are always welcome to join my live classes. The demo class form is given in the bio. Please fill it up. You can always try a demo class. It is available for free. Thank you so much. I am Ritz. I'm English trainer. I have got 7 years of teaching experience. So if you are interested, do fill the form and start your English practice. If you feel you really know good grammar, you are good at tenses, but don't know how to connect everything together, then you are most welcome to join my demo session. It is free of cost. So keep learning, keep progressing. Thank you so much.